Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to just show you how to what they call baton, and I'm also going to do a quick review on this Beker BK Ka-Bar. It's a Beker BK2. I got this years ago. It's a really solid knife. It's got a really thick blade, and it goes all the way to the end, which is called a full tang. It's even flat on the end, so you can kind of hammer it if you needed to. It's a very great knife. I enjoy it a lot as far as what it can do around the campsite. So let me show you how I baton with it. So the idea is just kind of go with the grain. You can see the grains here going down, so you want to go with the grain. Okay, so I usually just start it off like that, and then just take another piece of wood like this and just kind of whack it down. Yep, good old-fashioned like Flintstone style. Now notice I can't, it's a really big piece of wood I got here, so I can't quite go all the way across because the blade's not that big. So the next purchase I'm going to get is a blade that's a little longer. I think this is more like 7 inches or something like that. I don't know. I'll post that in the description. So here, if you can see, a little bit of the knife is protruding, and I'm going to hold this and push down as I hit this, even towards the tip. This is such a thick knife that it doesn't really damage it. Alright, so it made a nice cut. This is a much smaller piece to work with now. Now I'll cut it again. This time I'll do it in half again. This time I'll have no problem with the length. And you could just keep going, keep cutting as thin as you want. Just like I was showing in another video, you could use it for tinder. So anyway, really like this knife. Highly recommend it. It's been serving me for years. Very solid. I mean, it's really heavy too. Like, you can hear it. You can just see it. Very heavy. So anyway, hope you enjoy. I think I paid like $95 for it years ago on Amazon. Probably around the same price, if not less. And they probably have better, newer brand. So I highly recommend it.